Baba would always tell me during my night watch different stories. Farhad Shirin, Majnun Laila, and Ghazal. He would ask me to write Ghazal.
It is all here today and gone tomorrow. Whether you are a king or a beggar, it is all here today and gone tomorrow. Life is easy, like a joke, but becomes so difficult if not taken this way. One whose heart is still alive never dies. Ask Farhad what the heart cannot do. But how could King Khusru understand Farhad's heart? What was impossible for Farhad to do for Shireen? To carve out the mountain and build the canal was nothing for Farhad. Whether you're a king or a beggar, it is all here today and gone tomorrow. Farhad dug out the mountain in 10 years with only one thought, to win Shireen. King Khusru became frightened when he heard of this. He plotted and schemed, eventually deceiving Farhad. He sent a message saying that Shireen had died long ago. Whether you're a king or a beggar, it is all here today and gone tomorrow. When Farhad heard the message, he wept and began to die. Shireen was also terribly grieved when she heard what the king had done. Their hearts were united. They were one in love. For them, the deceit of King Khusru was the pain of hell. But Khusru did not know his throne was powerless before their love. Whether you're a king or a beggar, it is all here today and gone tomorrow. Farhad died as soon as he heard the message. His master then appeared and gave him the water of eternal life. Farhad became famous throughout the world as Kokhan, and King Khusru surrendered his life at his feet. Khusru was not worthy of the love of Shireen, but after his surrender, he became a real king. Whether you're a king or a beggar, it is all here today and gone tomorrow. Khusru deeply repented, and Farhad embraced him. He gave him his love, and he accepted him. Shireen would visit Farhad every day. The atmosphere of love encircled him. Farhad had become the ocean now. He no longer remained a drop. Whether you're a king or a beggar, it is all here today and gone tomorrow. The moment Farhad dropped his mortal form, Shireen also died. King Khusru dug one grave for both. O beloved Meher, what love you bestowed on them! People are inspired hearing the story of their love. O Bal, I tell you the truth. You are not worthy of that love. Whether you're a king or a beggar, it is all here today and gone tomorrow.
There was one lover. His name was Farhad. And Farhad was working in the palace as a gardener. And what happens? One day, he saw Shireen, the empress. So that empress, he felt in love with her. And that love, nobody could understand. It is beyond understanding. And then King Khusru came to know about it. What did he do? Then he asked his ministers, cabinet ministers, and he said, now this is the matter. What should be done? So they said, it is better that don't kill him. He should be given such a work. Such a difficult work could not be able to do. And what was that work? From the mountain, he should cut the channel and bring water into the palace. And Farhad was told it was law. So he would just the dagger, he would cut. Shirin, Shirin, Shirin. He would go on cutting and cutting. No other person for him, just Shirin. But what happened? That he cut the mountain and he was nearing the palace. Now what to do? Again the king called his ministers. And what to do now? You had suggested this, and I did. An impossible thing he has done. He would reach the palace any time. So the minister suggested that spread the rumor that Queen Shirin died. And when he heard this rumor, Farhad, he took the dagger and he wanted to kill himself. And a perfect master appeared, caught hold of his hand, gave him God realization. Not only God realization, but also made him perfect master. And he was in one place, he died. And both Khosrow and Shirin, he would take her to, when he died, to his tomb. He would take. And he himself would pay respect to him. She also died. One Farhad Shirin, one tomb. So love. It is not that he had sexual love. He had the real love. And real love, that Shirin, when he saw Shirin, she became the medium. She became the medium. But fortunate ones, they get such love, very rare case. So Baba had dictated me this ghazal, Farhad and Shirin. And I also felt very much touched. I wrote, he told me the story. This is love.